Squishes. Squishes. There's a squishy roll right here. And so squishy. You want to see his little body? This is little boy body. These are his little boy legs. The leg. Oh no, someone woke up. How about dog? This is my body. This is Jack. That's Phil. And that's Jack. And that's Oscar Stevens. Guys. Look at this bulldog. Lay down, Mr. Bulldog. See how happy he is now? He's got such a personality. Oscar, lay down. Hey, Mr. Oscar. You annoyed I woke you from your nap? He's annoyed I woke him from his nap. He reminds me a lot of Ryan. See? Hi, bulldog. Oh, whoopsies. This is going to be my favorite video I ever had. Oh, and this, you feel good on your ears? Feels good on your ears? You're so good. You're so squishy.